Hello friends, welcome to Success Edge. Today topic is natural calamities. Nature is blessing. Nature provides us with several resources. Nature sustains life on earth, but it is also one of the biggest cause of destruction. Disasters caused by nature are called natural calamities. Earthquake. An earthquake is a sudden shaking in Earth's crust. It is caused by sudden movements under the surface of the earth. Some earthquakes are weak. These can be barely felt. Some are violent. They can cause great damage. The study of earthquakes is called seismology. Earthquakes are measured by an instrument called seismographs and are measured on a Richter scale. When earthquake occurs, first walk out of your house and move to an open area. Second, if you are unable to move out, take cover under a table to protect yourself from falling objects. Third, do not stand under trees, electric poles, or tall buildings as they can fall on you. Fourth, do not enter a building immediately after an earthquake. Small tremors called aftershocks shake the ground even after an earthquake. Volcanic eruption, sometimes molten lava and forced out of cracks from the earth's crust. Amphibian with loads of smoke and ash. This is called lava. Lava is very hot. It causes great damage to life and property. Tsunami. Tsunami means heavy wave. Tsunami is caused by undersea earthquake, volcanic eruption, etc. These waves can be as high as 20 to 30 meters and travel up to 1000 kilometers per hour and causing great damage. Flood and cyclone during rainy seasons, when there is excessive rainfall, water in rivers rises above the banks and flows into nearby land causing flood. It damages crops, roads, property and life. A cyclone is a very strong wind accompanied with heavy rains. In coastal areas, flooding is caused by cyclones. When a flood or a cyclone strikes, first move to a safer place or to a cyclone shelter. Second, listen to the radio or watch the television for warning and advice. Third, do not go into the water. Fourth, keep a stock of food and fresh water. Fifth, keep a first aid kit ready. Drought. Sometimes due to poor rainfall, water levels are below normal. This causes severe storage of water in condition called drought. What can be done to reduce the damage? First, learn to save and conserve water. Second, grow more trees. Third, promote rain water harvesting. Fourth, grow drought resistant crops such as sorghum, maize, and maize. Landslides. Landslides are common in hilly areas. They are caused when big rocks and stones slide down, along with mud during the rainy season. Deforestation is the main cause of landslides. They are common in Himalayas and northeastern hilly areas. Landslides causes damage to property and distribute communication. When a calamity strikes, first be calm, do not panic. Second, do not spread rumors. Third, encourage people to face the problem bravely and be supportive. Fourth, contribute and donate clothes, food, and cash to agencies involved in real life work. Thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, and subscribe.